purpose of the fund, as well as those 20 companies, is to generate incremental returns through the cycle and beyond, whilst also incurring as little risk as possible. The portfolio invests in high-quality companies that are not only durable, but tend to surprise in terms of earning results consistently. The portfolio has outsized positions, primarily in companies that have strong economic moats. To give an example, the portfolio is invested in some of the strongest banks we have in the country. Our favorite banks are First Rand and Capitec. In the industrial space, our favorite companies are Bidvest and Bidcorp. And those are companies which we know will generate fantastic returns very steadily throughout the next decade or so. In the IT sector, we're invested in Naspers and Process, who are staging a turnaround in terms of their profitability. We expect better prospects and better profitability from those positions. We tend not to be invested in gold or minimally invested in gold. By definition, we do not invest in companies or sectors and companies that we deem to be weak. For instance, furniture and construction. The fund has performed admirably well in the past 2.5 years. Because it is underinvested in resources, the fund performed really well when resources experienced a down cycle. It clawed back most of the underperformance that it had endured in the previous resource bull market. We had invested slightly in gold during this period because gold is a commodity that actually held up well, mainly due to the fact that the Chinese central bank was purchasing the metal. We are now no longer in gold, and gold was just a temporary holding at that point in time. However, in the second quarter, South Africa benefited from domestics performing really well. The fund could not match that in the second quarter. The track record of the proposition has served investors well. The idea of generating very steady returns, whilst it could be annoying when the market has a cyclical upcycle, is very, very helpful and protective when the market experiences a down cycle.